Namaskar, greetings, and gratitude. I welcome you all to the Inspirational Star Talks episode number 54. And today, on the hot seat with me is a very special person, Ma'am Jyoti. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. Thank you, Preeti ji. It's lovely to be here. And thank you for having me on the hot seat, which is an enjoyable seat. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Dr. Jyoti Deepak Vora is a proprietor and a CEO at Dhirang Consultants Mumbai. She is an academician, consultant, trainer, research guide, and researcher in biochemistry and food science and quality control. She has membership of many professional bodies. She's a life member of Indian Science Congress Association and many more. She has conducted many workshops and training programs for industry professionals in India and overseas. She specializes in hand-holding of new entrepreneurs and startups. This is so wonderful, ma'am. I really welcome you to the Startups, ma'am.
Thank you so much for the Star Talk invitation. And it's my privilege to be here, Preeti ji. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, I am fan of your notes to the soul that you keep sending. They are so beautiful, ma'am, and very heartwarming. How did you start these notes, ma'am?
See, Preeti ji, the DR in front of my name and everyone's name, it stands for Doctor of Philosophy. I'm from IIT Mumbai, and my guide used to always tell me, and teachers and parents influence the most. So my guide always used to tell me ki, the moment you complete your doctorate, you're not a scientist and a human science professional or a computer science professional. You're a philosopher. So, the whole journey of research is actually a connection with your inner self. Every day, you are trying to discover, and you're successful also with the divine blessing, of course, and guidance from your teachers uh, on something in yourself which you didn't even know you had. And therefore my connection to philosophy is quite not old, but it's always been there. And I'm a practicing Brahmin, so I grew up in an environment with Vedic doctrination, and I went to a Jesuit school, so I got a touch of the other side also, and I'm that much richer. So therefore I know that we all have conversations with ourselves. Just this morning, I'll give you an example. There was some little technological, trough when I didn't appear, and you were trying to say "Ab kya kare," and I was trying to say the same thing, though we are kilometers away. We were talking to ourselves. So therefore, there is a voice inside us. So I have been writing all the time. You'll be happy to know that my first article was published in the Illustrated Weekly of India, very prestigious magazine when we were tiny, you and I, when I was in standard 7, and I've been writing from then. So I think of something, something comes to my mind, and I put it down. I started sending it to those who are close to me, and you are. And people started appreciating it. And the Stanford University group, on which I am from the June of 2016, it's an invited group of scientists and academicians, researchers. They more than welcome this whole thing. Now, with your prayers and blessings, I'm planning to publish a book, because those little notes are timeless, they don't have a date. So that's how
Yes,
it
ma'am.
began. Thank you for asking me, please.
They are very deep notes. Absolutely,
Thank you.
absolutely.
Thank
I
you.
enjoy reading them. Thank you, thank
Thank
you.
you.
So, ma'am, throw some light on your soul note to Thali of life and your belief we are what we eat.
Wonderful. That's my passion. See, I'm a native biochemist, and one of the biggest ramification of my subject is food, because what we consume is what we are. And I'm quite well versed with Sanskrit. So we do have a shlok, if you permit me to say only the last part. It says, Udara bharana nohe zanije yajna karma. That udar means pet, the stomach. Bharan means when you consume. So it's not a simple consumption of food through your mouth and a mechanical process. It's a Vedic experiment you do with your biochemistry. Therefore, I did a lot of research because I'm a doctoral guide, and we have published work. I'll send you those papers because you like to read on the Indian thali. And on 3 occasions, I did international presentations because, as thinking Bhartiyas, you, I, and all my beloved listeners will feel so good when they know that year after year, the Indian thali is the most balanced of all diets. The variations are tremendous. And see, I'm not talking of any one state. It is from Kashmir to Kanyakumari and Kutch to Calcutta. So when you say thali, it means something where everything is in sync. There's a total resonance. So I just prepared a thali because that time it was Chaitra Navratri. I like to do these things because they give me joy and they give my family joy too. And I'm quite a good cook. So I made various things. And then I looked at it and I said, isn't this the thali of life? Small joys, big joys, which mean a big thing to you. You know how I am by temperament. So you are aware that I looked forward to this time. It's not 20 minutes, it's what happened before and how much I'll carry away afterwards. So, therefore, we are what we eat. That means from life, whatever we consume is what we give to the people around us. And now, with the technology, it's virtual, it's hybrid, it's actual, it's retrospective, and it's futuristic.
Beautiful, ma'am. Very beautiful. Thank you. So it is, you're not just referring to the thing that we consume, we are, it is throughout the life what we have consumed, we are.
Right.
Beautiful. Beautiful. You say, summers always bring alive my small town childhood.
Yes.
Tell us something about your childhood.
आई वुड लव टू पूरे 20 मिनट में मेरे सबसे प्यारे फिजियोलॉजी के फैसेट के बारे में बोल सकती हूँ जिसको मेरे जहन से कोई नहीं निकाल सकता है. एंड द फ्लुएंसी ऑफ इंग्लिश, उर्दू, हिंदुस्तानी यू कैन मेक आउट थ्रू दिस language, because I'm very proud to say that I'm from a defense family. I'm most blessed to be the daughter of Air Commodore Ranganath Naik, who was decorated in the Bangladesh War. And my mother was a professor of English literature who was a principal at Kanpur. So my entire childhood, like we laughingly say, is from Ganga Kinare. What I learned in my childhood, the spaces, the kind of, real touch to life. And my most beautiful school, St. Mary's Convent, where I also gave in as much as I could, because that's the only way you go about it, has put a very deep mark on my, entire personality, its making, its outlook. I can speak 8 languages, and I'm not talking over overseas Indian languages, because when you're in defense, you are really thinking Indians, and I'm very proud of my defense background. I do workshops for our Fauji bhais in the memory of my father, who is not physically there with us. And my family supports me like anything. We have gone up to 56 APO to do the "you are what you eat" concept with our Fauji bhai. That is one point. Second is, pace of life. I just laugh, Preeti ji, when we see the WhatsApp status of people. and they write busy. So my immediate little impish question is, doing what? And then there are those people who will write you are instead of YOUR. So I feel like calling them aside and saying, Bhai Sahab, what did you do with the time which you saved on writing the two alphabets? You see, in today's day and age, and I'm not at all a generation gap person because I'm an academician. I never came out of college only. My WhatsApp is filled with my students. They love me. They are my friends. Sometimes they behave like my grandparents also. And I enjoy young people. So I'm not talking of aap or hum. It's all of us. I don't know where we have got caught up, in this unnecessary hurry about something. And there is a saying, make haste slowly. Just, take the pace of life. My upbringing in Kanpur taught me that. We had nature walks. We have a beautiful school because I just went 2 years ago, and I, said a prayer outside the gate. Ki, please don't change it because my heart will break. And I went in, and it was even more beautiful than what I the nuns are wonderful. We were schooled in such a beautiful way. And I'm very proud to say the most honorable Madam Indira Gandhi studied in our school for 6 months when Panditji was in jail and her mother was in the Swiss clinic. So it's the oldest day school for girls. My school has had a great impact. I've been tiny, really tiny when I was 65. In 1965, my father was active. But in 1971, much more. So I've done a first aid course, which was, we were below age, but they kind of took us to meet the soldiers and all, real time living, ma'am. That has helped me a lot. So I have this way of getting enmeshed with everyone. I'm happy in that. And I truly thank Kanpur, UP, हमारा जो लहजा है, So all that adds to my temperament and tempera. Please.
Beautiful, ma'am. So nice. Ma'am, I want to know your approach towards wellness.
Oh, sure. You'll be very happy to know that on the 28th, I'm giving a popular science talk on wellness. Very quickly, I'm looking at the time and I'm worried. I want to tell you so many things, and you'll say, "Ma'am, bahut zyada bol rahe ho aap." But I just want to tell you this. See, when the World War got over in 1944, the Second World War, the countries of the world met and said that if we have another world war, there's never going to be a world. So what do we devote ourselves to? Something common as a good of the globe. And then the answer was health. Now, health was defined, because first thing is definition. Health was defined as the absence of disease. And that went on till 2006 at the Genevan conference. It was redefined as wellness, because you may be without a disease, but you may be the most pathetic, self-opinionated, pompous, selfish kind of person, keeping to yourself. In our biochemistry, we call it hydrophobic. So you had to define it, because wellness includes physical, mental, emotional, psychological, professional, societal, everything. So if you attend to all those facets of your life, that's wellness. So my approach is, I am a fully qualified dietary counselor too. And I never gave a diet, because it's a four-letter word, bad word. It's an abuse. I give a meal plan. But before that, I have a session with my, subject or whom I am helping out, and try to find out their personality. Because we come back to the same golden nugget: we are what we eat. आप सामने थाली पड़ी है. This is a common sight, and it's so tragic. Parents on their mobile, a tiny infant looking at some cartoon on the mobile, stuffing their faces. They don't even know what they're eating, and it's such a pathetic side. You are supposed to attend to yourself, which we have forgotten in the long run. So wellness is all about, enjoying, celebrating, and gratefulness or gratitude expressing exercise with yourself. That is my understanding. Right.
Beautiful, beautiful. Ma'am, you are wearing so many hats. You are an education consultant, industry consultant, and a CEO, just name a few. How are you managing all these roles, ma'am?
I'll be very frank with you. By now, you've understood, Preeti ji, I'm very religious. Kanha is in my heart, Sri Krishna. And Durga Devi is whom I iconize, like unki tarah banna hai. Ashtabhuja. Every woman is like that. If you look at all my profile, it centers around one thing which Balaji has given me, and that is the ability to teach. So, research, industrial consultancy, education, uh, being a guide to people, giving popular talks, writing, everything comes from an expression of my subject. And I'm an LLL, ma'am, lifelong learner. पढ़ती जाती हूँ. Now I'll confess, and maybe you'll laugh. I love the smell of books. My parents must have been very comfortable. उनको मुझे कुछ देना ही नहीं पड़ा. My birthday is in December, so my father was rather particular about how I performed, telling me, do what you want, but you have to do well. And I'm a state basketball player, and therefore sports and other things also came in. So I said, leave it to me. I had a deal with my father, how many marks you want. So I used to get those marks with God's grace. And he would say, if you all do, both of them would say, if you do well, we'll get you a gift. They didn't have to worry. They had to take me to Universal Book Depot at the Mall Road in Kanpur and leave me for half an hour. And I would come back and tell, वो अंकल जी के पास जो किताबें पढ़ी था वो सारी मुझे चाहिए. That is my gift. एंड इवन टुडे अगर कहीं गलती से ईडी की एड़ पड़ जाए मेरे घर, सिर्फ किताबें मिलेंगी, सिर्फ किताबें. So you have to keep learning. Even if you read the same book again and again, you'll get a new information, you see. You'll see a
Absolutely.
new facet of the writer. He's speaking to you in another language, depending on what you are feeling.
Very beautiful, very beautiful. So nice knowing you, ma'am. Very beautiful.
My pleasure and privilege entirely.
You've told us about your love for books and you play basketball. Apart from this, ma'am, what are your interests and hobbies? You love cooking.
Yes, there is an open invitation to every listener, and of course to you. Please, aye. I love food and everything to do with it, and not to eat, but to serve. Like I call it, Ichha Purti menu. Ichha Purti in Sanskrit means you wish and you get it. So I actually have, I'm from IIT, our alumni association is very huge. My lab mates are all over the world. So when they come down to India, because we meet when we celebrate our professor's birthday, they will go on sending mail, Jyoti, make this, do this. And when they come, I kind of fill up dabbas and get for them. They come home, that kind of thing. Cooking is one. But I've also been drawing, Preeti ji. I've had 3 charcoal exhibitions, and my best half, Dr. Deepak Vora, is my biggest support. We've grown up together. We met in college, and काफी romantic नाम से लेके सब कुछ है, Jyoti and Deepak. If you can see, he's a microbiologist. So during the pandemic, I was getting mad. So one day he told me, why don't you start drawing? So I said, I need good paper. So we ordered online. And in the March of 2022, I just started around the, lockdown. Today I have 2,185 miniatures. Every day I draw one miniature as a therapy. I've had the pleasure of sending you also. And now I'm really quick. So it takes about 5.5 minutes. And my family is very happy looking at it. My son, my new daughter in law, they're very thrilled. So books after books बन के रखे, but मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. So I like drawing too. Please.
I think you shared one with me. You
Yes.
shared one
In
of
fact,
it.
two.
Yeah, right.
I'll share some more if you want. No problem.
Yeah, so beautiful. So nice. Thank you, ma'am. And my last question for the day.
Please. Please.
Share your happy moments with us, ma'am.
This is a happy moment. This is an ecstatic moment, Preeti ji, and you know me enough to know that I won't talk just for the heck of it. There's a beautiful saying which says, "Manyat sukh hai." I'm a native Maharashtrian. It means अगर आप महसूस करो कि आप खुश हो तो खुश हो. So instead of waiting for larger happinesses or larger, chunks of joy, why don't we look for smaller ones? Today's whole day is going to be euphoric. It's rather full up because on 24th, I am a international speaker at the Geo World Center. It's a totally technical talk. So after this lovely, rendezvous, I will be going into total technical mode. But I'll carry a bit of you, and I'll enjoy the beautiful lady to whom I'm speaking to. So I just request you. I'm no one different from you. I've just discovered these things and I'm sharing it with you. Enjoy whatever you're doing at that moment. And keep telling yourself, maja aa raha hai, bahut maja aa raha hai. And then you would find that it's a habit, you would find it's a habit. Please.
Beautiful, beautiful, ma'am. So I did not come to know where the time went, and such beautiful answers you have to my questions. It's wonderful knowing you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank
Thank
you
you
for
so
coming
much.
to the
It's
study.
been my privilege. Thank you. Thank you so much, please. And lots
Thank
and lots of love to all our listeners. And may our star talks get into the Milky Way galaxy. And may you do everything nice, whatever you do. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. I'm
Please.
honored. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, my dear audience, for being with us in this lovely chat today with Jyoti ma'am. I will come back with another personality who has inspired my life. Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. Good day. All the
Good day.
best for your next
It's
talk.
needed. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.